you're teaching your child how to learn the alphabet, encourage them to read and make the Play-Doh letters. And make first you need some Play-Doh, and second you can buy some modeling tools, or you can use stuff lying around the house. So first we're going to make our A. So I take a ball of Play-Doh and I roll it out like this, and I kind of flatten it out a little, and I'm going to cut it out. It looks kind of like a triangle, but maybe we should slice them down a little bit. But my most fun way to make the A is doing it in a fun way. We go like this. Maybe roll into two parts. And we make this. And we roll this like this. And there's our A. And then, now we're going to make our B. I'm going to use orange for the B. Whoa, I'm going to do them very differently. So, I took some of this. Then I'm going to roll it and flatten it again. Maybe. Maybe make it like this a little bit, and go like this. And then I'll take this. What do you say? And I go like this. Then I'll take them like this, and I'll roll something like this. Just smash it down like this. Oops. I made a mistake. Okay. And then, so it fits right there. So I'm going to take out little holes here to make the insides. And I put this here, and there's our B. Second, I'm gonna make a C. So how we make the C is quite hard, but I think I can do it too. So I'll make this into something like this. And this is how you make a C. But I want to add a little special thing, so it would make it more faster. I know. So I use these. And something for the kids watching this video when after. Here we go. Whoever's watching this video should learn their alphabet. Daria. Now we're gonna make our D. So I think this seems hard to do, but I will teach you about making the D. Well, this is not well. We can do it like this. So we make it like this. Yeah, great. So now that we have our line for the D, I'm going to roll out this thing, then connect it onto our D. It's kind of hard. So we go like this, and connect this, and there's our D. Now we're going to do E, which is a pretty hard letter to try to say. E. Okay, so the way you might do E might be like this. Then you might roll this out a little bit. Sometimes you okay then. So the very fun part is about like cutting here. 1, 2, 3. You don't have to cut 3 because there will be 4 and you don't want that. Is. And now we're going to make F. Which sounds kind of more like EF, but that's not what it is. Don't make noises. Don't annoy me. I'm using purple for the F. Here. Here. I'm trying to knead them a little bit. And there's our F. So I'll place it right here. And after I place it there, make our G. Okay, then we're going to make our G. And get this, and there's our G. Now we're going to make H. Two sides, flatten them down, there's our H. How to make I? You might be we could have two pieces like this. And like this. And put them on here like this. Now we're going to make J that you might make like this. J is made of. And there's this color for J. There's three things we have to use. This, this, and this. So we'll put them together and with this here. I'm gonna make the same. I'm gonna use the same color, but make a K this time. A C H I J K. I got this here. it's okay. Now I'm going to make our L. We're just two easy parts. You roll it, cut it into two, and take okay then. Now we're going to make our M. Our M goes like this. Now we're going to make N. Now we're going to make O. And there's our O. Now we're going to make our P. Now Q. Q. There's a Q. R. Don't take the video.